What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brailsford's Rides for another 2003 Toyota Sequoia video. In today's video, we are swapping out our headlights again for another set of LED headlights. So if you watched the channel before, we ran a set of Auxito LED headlights in our car and they worked great for a while. However, my driver's side burned itself out. Now, that might not have been a fault of Auxito's altogether because the connector was super gunked up with stuff and we cleaned it out. And what we're going to do today is we are going to try another company. Boslla was kind enough to send us their multi-function headlight, which has multiple colors where you can use a bright white light, or sorry, you can have cold white, warm yellow, or yellow headlights. There's also a warning flash at 3000. So we're going to give this a shot. There's 4 different functions in here and we're going to see if we can make it work. I'm interested to see how it works considering that the headlights stay on as DRLs, day running lights. And see if it's easy to switch between the modes with that engaged, because I think it has to do with turning the lights on and off. So if they're always on, I'm curious to see how that works out. But we're going to go ahead, install these bad boys, and see how it looks. So as you can see, one of my Auxitos is still working, the other one was all burnt out. So we're going to go ahead, pull them out, and get the Bosslas installed, and see how bright they are compared to the Auxitos. As you can see inside the box here, these are some pretty clean setups. We have a little fan inside the actual light itself. I've always commented on all the companies that do this. I'm interested to see the durability of this and how long they last, so we'll find that out shortly. This must be the little control module that enables you to switch between the modes. So let's go ahead and rig this up and see how it works. Now the install for these lights is super simple. You just go from the back, you're able to unplug it real easily and pull out the old bulb. As you can see, there's little tabs here. You're gonna have to rotate it, pull it out, and put the new one in, rotate it, and plug it in. So that's all we're gonna do.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through.
Now, when you install these things, you're going to want to take them and you're going to want the gold to be at the 9 o'clock position, and you want the silver to be at the 3 o'clock. So we're going to go ahead and slide her back in there. And let's give it a test run real quick. Turn the lights on. Should be on. And it looks like we got the yellow function on, so we'll turn them off and on real quick. So that must be the warm yellow. So I think you turn it off and turn it back on. This must be the yellow. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the yellow. Wow, that's pretty cool. There's the old, those are the old Auxitos. This is yellow. Now let's see what the bright white light looks like. So you flip it off, turn it back on. Whoop, I accidentally gotta go around the horn. So over here we got the new Bosslas, and these are the Auxitos. You guys tell me, white for white, what is brighter? I would argue that the Bosslas are brighter. But we'll run through the, we're gonna get the other side installed, and then we'll give you guys a night check. We'll take you out and on the road and show you what this looks like at night. All right, there's a retainer clip in here I actually had to remove because there was no way for me to get it back on there with the beefiness of the fan that was in the back. So what I did is it nests itself in this little bezel here pretty good. So if you look in there, it nests itself in that little bezel there pretty good. So the little retainer clip that was holding it in, I removed it, and honestly that little rubber grommet holds it in there pretty good. I broke the one off the other side a long time ago, so it holds it in there. I know it'll stay. You just got to make sure you got it positioned right to where, like we said, you have the gold on the 9 o'clock and the silver on the 3 o'clock. Here's the old Auxito lights we pulled out. As you can see, like, I burned out the one on the other side, but it may have been because the actual plug itself was dirty. We'll see how long these last. But right now, turn the lights on.
Wow.
Ooh, they're bright.
I like these.
Yeah, I would argue that these Bosslas are brighter than the other Auxito. So, all right guys, so I'm gonna flip through the modes real quick and show you all the different lighting modes. There's the warm yellow. And there's the yellow, guys. That's pretty freaking cool. So you guys, we went cool white, warm yellow, and yellow. Let's see if we can do the warning flash.
Yeah.
That's an interesting warning flash. So as you guys saw, when it warning flashes, it flashes to bright white. But we're gonna take this out at night and let you guys see what it looks like on the road too. All right, so we're gonna turn the car on. Let's see these new headlights during the day. Oh yeah, they are pretty bright. All right, let's scroll through the modes real quick. Turn the AC off, it's making a weird noise. Let's turn it off. Well, that's a problem, guys. So I can't roll through the modes. It's not letting me roll through the modes with the car on because of the DRLs. I guess I can only do that when the car's off, which is pretty interesting. So let's try that real quick. All right, there's warm white. This is an inconvenient way to have to do this. And there's yellow. Let's go check out yellow. Oh yeah, it's real bright yellow. So here's low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. All right, so we are in a back alley, and this is what it looks like when it's pitch black out. I'm gonna turn the car on. And now it's illuminated. Now I'm gonna show you guys something. This is the lights just on, illuminating the back alley. There's the brights, regular, brights, regular. If you guys wanna see the yellow, turn it off. Quickly turn it back on. You got to do it within 4 seconds, I think, 4 or 5 seconds. There's the warm white. Turn off again. There's the yellow. Yellow is actually surprisingly bright. If you guys want to see the flash function, the flash between cool white and warm white, that's pretty neat. But yeah, guys, I do like these lights a lot. They're very bright. I will put the link in the description down below if you guys want to get yourself set. But let me know down below in the comments what you guys think, if you would run these on your Sequoia or first gen Tundra. All right guys, that's going to do it for today's video on the 2003 Toyota Sequoia. So if you enjoyed that video and you're looking for a set of multi-function headlights from Boslla, I'll put a link in the bio down below for you guys to purchase some. I'm definitely on board with these things. I think they're actually brighter than the Auxitos that I had, and I like the fact that I can change them to whatever I want. But again, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget, click the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Toyota Sequoia, Boss 302, and Fox Body Mustang videos. You're not gonna wanna miss them. But that's all I got for you guys. Stay blessed, stay safe. See you next time on Brailsford Rides. Take care.